So every kid in the neighborhood is out screaming and it's windy. So naturally, I decided to shoot a video. I've got a really cool review / presentation video for you today from Expert Grill on this 2-burner portable gas grill, and it's coming up right now. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I really appreciate having you here as always. Thank you so much for all your support. Please check out everydaybarbecue.net if you haven't. I'm trying to get the website going, and to be honest, so much has been going on in the last few months. I haven't put as much time and effort into the site or into promoting it, but it's there, it's live, and it's operational, so please check it out. I did a couple review videos last year for Expert Grill, and this year I'm doing a couple more. I got to hand pick the cookers that I decided that I wanted to go ahead and review or present to you, and this is one of them right here. This is the Expert Grill 2-burner stainless steel portable gas grill. Those videos last year did great. People really appreciated them, and I kind of like bringing stuff to the channel that the normal average everyday person is going to purchase and use, and this one was one I chose because it just reminded me of so many good memories of vacation. I remember when we used to go to Minnesota every year, years ago. I live in Illinois. We used to go up to Minnesota every year on like a fishing trip, vacation. It was so much fun. And we used to have a small portable grill that we would take up there. The thing is it just wasn't constructed well. It was cheap. There wasn't really a big selection for those things back then. And it didn't last long. So it seemed like every year I was buying another one. So when I saw this constructed out of stainless steel, knowing the quality that I got the prior year from the grills that I'd reviewed from Expert Grill, I was really excited to see this, and this one has not disappointed. Just through the assembly process, which by the way takes 10 minutes or less. I don't even think that. I think maybe 5 minutes really. Just the feel, especially of the grates, the cooking grates are so heavy. It's impressive, it really is, and I'm excited to bring it to you today. So I've declined many reviews, many paid reviews, many paid presentations. When the cookers came in, if they weren't up to snuff, I declined to do it. So this is something that I would personally buy with my own money, and I'm going to present it to you today. Now I have this set up high here on a prep cart that Expert Grill sent me. This thing's totally cool, by the way, but this grill's not this tall. This is a smaller grill here. It's only 2 burners, and I have it set on the prep cart just for purposes of filming. I think it's going to make it a little bit easier for us. But let's start out like this. For traveling, you do have these snap locks on the sides of the grill. Then you can open the lid. These legs here on the side, they do fold in, so it's real easy to get into a small spot in your car if you're going to travel with it or go to a birthday party or do tailgating. It really folds down and gets compact. The whole thing weighs around 20 pounds. There's 273 square inches of total cooking space here, so there's a good amount of space for pretty much anything you want to put on here. Burgers, dogs, sausages. You can get a fair amount of food on this for it being such a small cooker. The cooking grate is heavy, stainless steel, and so is the inside, including the burner covers. Nice little warming rack here on top. So because of the good construction, there's a 2-year warranty on those main burners. The igniting system is just push to light. So you push it in and you get your ignition there. This runs on propane, and the biggest thing for me with this cooker is that stainless steel construction, because you know it's going to give you some longevity. I also like the feel of it. It doesn't feel like a cheap, clunky grill. It feels like it's well built. They put some effort into this. And here's the thing that I'm really most impressed about is that I think right now at this moment, at the time of doing this video, you can buy this at Walmart for $107. So the value is there. This has always been my big thing with the Expert Grill videos that I do, is the value. So for $107, it's going to be really hard to beat this, especially with this kind of construction. And I also really appreciate that they did build a cleanup system into this. So it's a big deal with all the grills that I review, is that you're able to clean it to keep them from being a fire hazard. This one has a tray right underneath. First off, there's holes underneath the grate down on the bottom that allows grease to go down into this tray right here, which you can slide out real easy, wipe out, and you can also very easily remove these burner covers and wipe out the bottom of the grill too, so you don't get your car dirty during transport. And you keep everything safe. Slides right back into position really easily. Now, like I always do, I'm gonna go ahead and cook on this. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and we're gonna make some hot dogs for lunch, so I'm gonna bring you along for that, give you some B-roll, and I'll bring you back for a little summary of everything at the end. So lunch was great. My kids really enjoyed the hot dogs.
Good hot dogs.
And the cooker performed well. There was a slightly warmer area here in the bottom left and up here in the upper right, but it was nothing drastic. And obviously it was a very simple cook. So good food. The bun warmer was great up here. I mean, those buns were perfect. As soon as I rolled the dogs over, I put the buns up on that top rack, and they had a really nice little crunch on the outside, and they were soft and warm inside. So that thing did a great job too. Super impressed with this thing, especially for the money. Again, it's available at Walmart for $107 right now. Perfect portable grill for vacation or any event that you have that you need something portable to cook on. So that's it for this video. I'm done working for today, and it's time for my son and I to go do something that we really enjoy. So thank you again for hanging out with me today. Thank you for all your support. I've got more of these review videos coming. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.